Hello guys, so I'll be picking up the kids today. My fiance is working today, so I'll be taking care the kids. So yeah, we're gonna pick up Aubrey first. Aubrey,
And we're also making slime.
Aubrey, look.
What? Who's that?
Who's that? It's you.
Hi. Are we making vlogs?
Yeah, come here.
Oh! One more swimming jump. Perfect. Ah!
So we're gonna go pick up Christian. No, Christian's here.
Hey, Christian. Look who's here and he doesn't want to take his sweater off. He said I'm cold.
Christian.
Daddy.
Let's go. Christian, you don't know where your cubby is?
On rain. My cubby. Everybody
No, it's
bring
okay.
it.
No, just leave it there. No. Let's go.
Hi.
So now I'll get the kids. Now we're going to get food for my fiance for her lunch. So I got her Subway for her lunch. So where are we going now? Auntie?
Where are you going?
Auntie's what? Where?
Auntie walk.
We're going Auntie's work. So I see you guys
Baby.
there. Oh, we are at.
Auntie walk. Bye.
So I'm gonna give her food. Christian, what are we doing here?
And her lunch is Subway.
Christian, what are we doing
And
here?
her Nanny.
Oh, Nani.
Let me see. And her lunch is Subway actually.
So I'm gonna get her food. There she is. Yes, so.
Is it recording?
Hello.
Welcome to 100 Vape Shop! Hello! So Carlo, as a partner of 100 Vape Shop, how do you feel about the wedding of the incoming We and Us, Jay and Honeyfell?
Ito pala yung isang number 1 na backboy dito.
Yan.
Oh, I like this camera. Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like the same as mine. Okay.
The computer, not gonna have a static key.
No. Dude, I like this camera.
Nag-sell siya, man.
Magkano to?
400.
Ha?
400.
Ding ha?
Yeah.
That's it?
Nag-sell, yeah.
What kind of
So
shoes?
po guys, ito po ang isa kong best man, si MJ. Ito po ang groomsman ko. Wala yung kakambal niya eh.
I know, right? No, I'm Paulo.
Ayun oh. GM pala, hindi MJ.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
No, don't do that. That was so awkward. I was trying to make myself look awkward then.
Pogi nito. Ayaw tumingin oh. Ayaw, tumingin ako.
On my pocket, on.
Ayaw, di ba? Ayun oh. Ayun oh.
If you need anything from 100 Vape Shop, oh, tama. If you need any, if you want to learn, if you want to
Ay tanga daw.
Where are we going?
Eating.
You never ate there before?
This for Aubrey's thing, and then maid of honor dress shop.
Yes.
Maid of honor.
West on 77th Avenue Northwest toward 184th Street Northwest.
You're not even being seen. So this is like what you do behind the vlog, behind the scenes. Yeah.
We're in Ikea. This is cute. This is the foreigner. First time in Ikea.
Mind blown.
She asked me what this was. Yeah, they have like really. This is really good actually. How rude. Instagram picture. She got this Swedish meatball. I got the same-ish. I'm gonna get her first reaction of Ikea food. I like it.
Tastes just like meatballs. It's good though. I like it.
Good. Good.
Really good.
So how was your first trip to Ikea? Magical.
It was amazing.
She loves it. I think she wants to sleep over there.
I want to live there. Okay, so
David's bridal.
let's go.
Ooh, look at that. My favorite word. S-A-L-E. Sail. You can try the other one now. No. I like it. Just feeling it.
It's hard. It's like I don't know if I'm ready to even choose my dress.
Okay, do you think it's easy, but then when you actually go there,
It's super hard.
it's not what you're looking for, it's not what you had in mind?